Hello everyone. In today's video, for those who are just getting started with Binance, I'll walk you through everything step by step, from how to create an account to how to set up your security settings. If you sign up by clicking the link below this video that you're watching right now, you'll receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees along with various bonus rewards, so I highly recommend registering through the link. First, I will organize how to create a Binance account. If you click the link at the bottom and access it, you'll be taken to the Binance sign-up page. On the left side of the screen, you can see that a 20% discount on Binance fees and various bonus rewards are being offered. First, to create an account, please enter your email address or mobile phone number. Next, check the agreement box below, and then click Continue. Please click the image that matches the word shown in the top left. Next, proceed with email or mobile phone verification. Now, please create a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one number. If you need to enter and invite a code, please enter BB333. Then, you'll receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees, along with various bonus rewards. Once you've completed these steps, your Binance account creation will be finished. Next, I will organize how to complete KYC verification. To use deposit, withdrawal, and trading features on Binance, you need to complete KYC verification. Since KYC verification requires a selfie check, we'll proceed using a mobile device. Please install the Binance app on your phone. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Tap the login button, and log in using the account you just created. You'll then be taken directly to the KYC verification screen. First, select the country you currently live in. Next, proceed with identity verification. From the list below, please select the type of ID you have. I'll choose passport as an example. Select Take Pictures, and tap Continue. Next, take a photo of your passport's information page by aligning it with the camera screen. Then, proceed with the selfie verification. Follow the on-screen instructions by moving your face and blinking your eyes. Once you've completed these steps, the KYC verification process will be finished, and a review period of about 1 hour will begin. After a short while, your KYC verification will be successfully completed. Lastly, I will organize how to set up security authentication. Now, please switch back to the PC screen. From the menu on the left, click Account, and then click Security to set up your security settings. We'll set up security using the Authenticator app. Click Manage. Then click Enable Authenticator app. Next, proceed with email or mobile phone verification. When the QR code pop-up screen appears, install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Once the installation is complete, open the app, tap the plus button at the bottom right, and select Scan a QR code. Next, scan the QR code shown on the PC screen. A 6-digit code with the name Binance will be generated in Google Authenticator. Once the 6-digit code appears, go back to the PC screen and click Next. Then, in the Authenticator app code field, enter the 6-digit code generated by Google Authenticator. With this, your security authentication setup is complete. In today's video, for those who are just getting started with Binance, I went over everything step by step, from how to create an account to how to set up your security settings. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment anytime. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.